The European Parliament has approved new rules to speed up the deportation of rejected asylum seekers. Lawmakers backed the plans by a large majority after conservative MEPs struck an alliance with the far-right parties.
There are hundreds of thousands of people who are not allowed to stay. They've tried or been caught illegally staying here, but they are not deported. Some of them don't have anywhere to go. Some of them don't have a country of origin. They don't have any papers. They don't tell where they came from, or their countries are deemed too unsafe to actually send them back, but their cases are not strong enough to be allowed to stay in the European Union. They're talking about putting these return hubs in third countries, non-EU countries. Most of them with which this has been discussed are African, and they would have to wait there. Much of the problem is that despite people not being allowed to stay, they're not actually forced to leave. They could perhaps make appeals there, or it would be determined where they could be sent back. This is something that human rights advocates have a big problem with, but member state governments are increasingly conservative on. Lots of countries that used to be the most welcoming for migrants, think of Sweden or Denmark, the Netherlands, are now some of the most conservative. They're rejecting asylum claims at ever higher numbers. The European People's Party, the largest political group in the European Parliament, has said in the past, and Ursula von der Leyen's among them, that they would not cater to the far right. And yet today, that's exactly what happened. And now they'll be discussing the European governments, the European Commission, and the European Parliament on how to come up with a single version of what would be a new law.